Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram chat theme change option not showing on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone, you're facing the issue that whenever you try to change chat themes for Instagram for any chat, so you're not showing the option. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing is that you just have to make sure or you have to check that the person for which you're trying to change that theme has not blocked you. So if the person has blocked you, so it might be that you're unable to change the theme. Or if they haven't blocked you, but you're still facing the same issue, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing, you just have to try to switch between your Wi-Fi cellular data, or just try to connect with the strongest and stable network connection. You can also try to enable and disable your print mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back, open your Instagram, close it from your recent apps, and then reopen it to make a quick refresh in your Instagram system. So it will make quick work. It will be fixing this step, and you can also try to update your app so some features are unavailable and pending updates. Have you just have to go for App Store, Play Store, go for search and search for Instagram app, and just try to update your app. You'll get the option update. Just tap on this option, and your app will start it updating. So once your app has been updated, you'll not get the issue. Or if you're still facing the same issues, I recommend you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone and you have to open your Instagram app to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, open your settings app, go to general, go to iPhone storage here, just look for Instagram app and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete apps in case of offloading or deleting. If there will be any bug or any malware into your Instagram app, it will be fixing this step and you'll not get the issue again. So after reinstallation, you just have to open your Instagram app and here just tap on this message option. It might be here or sometimes you might get it here. So just select any chat, tap on the profile option in the chat, and here you'll get the theme option. You can easily change the theme from here. So in this way, you can easily fix Instagram chat themes option not showing if in your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.